Hey everyone, how you doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by to check out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make fried chicken wings. Now, the reason I'm doing chicken wings is because this week they were on sale, so I'm always trying to find inexpensive things for you to cook for your friends and family. These were $2.99 a pound, you know, the drumsticks, the flats. Super easy. I've done quite a few wings videos, you know, smoked them, sous vide cooked them. My latest one was garlic parmesan chicken wings that came out great. I'll leave a link below. But this I'm going to kind of serve more like fried chicken, and it's not very complicated. I got around 3 pounds of chicken wings. You need to have some seasoning. Once again, I'm using something from Luvafoodie. This is their Chicken Lovers Spice Blend, but any seasonings will work. I could make my own breading for the chicken, but I found it easier just to buy this in the store. This is Andy's chicken breading. And then you need some buttermilk, and yeah, man, this is about it. We're gonna season these wings, we're gonna let them soak in buttermilk for a few hours, and then we're gonna fry them up. It really couldn't be easier. So stick around, guys. I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, the first thing you want to do is take your chicken wings, rinse them off very well, kind of dry them off with a paper towel, and put them in a bowl. Like I mentioned, I have around 3 pounds. Now you're going to season them with whatever seasoning you would like to use. Like I mentioned, I'm using the Luvafoodie's Chicken Lovers Seasoning. I love their seasonings from Luvafoodie. I'll leave a link below. But you know how this works. You're just going to sprinkle some of the seasoning. I think that probably should do it. Just want to add a little bit of flavor to these wings. And then what we're going to do, we're going to pour around 1.5 cups to 2 cups of buttermilk in this bowl. And we're going to put it in the fridge, and we're going to let it marinate. You want to let these marinate for at least an hour. If you can go overnight as well, it's not going to hurt anything. Let's do a little bit more of this rub. This Chicken Lovers seasoning is so good. I would highly recommend it. Michelle over there at Luvafoodie also make a garlic lovers. If you love garlic, that's probably Monica and I's favorite seasoning from Luvafoodie. You can put it on just about everything if you love garlic. Guys, just like that, let me grab the buttermilk. We'll do the next step. Alright, so here they are. Seasoned beautifully with that Luvafoodie Chicken Lover seasoning. And like I mentioned, I'm just using cultured low-fat buttermilk. This is good. I'm going to shake that real well. And like I said, I'm going to eye it around 1.5 cups to 2 cups. We just want to have these chicken wings soak. I think that's more than enough. That's probably more like 2 cups, maybe a little bit more. Just like that, guys, I'm going to put some saran wrap on top of this bowl. I'm going to stick it in the fridge. We're going to have this for dinner tonight. It's around 1:30 in the afternoon, so this is probably going to sit in the fridge for maybe 3 to 4 hours, which is fine. At least 1 hour if you're pushed for time. Let them soak in the buttermilk. That's it, guys. I'm going to do some other stuff around the house, and I'll meet up with you guys in a little bit, and we'll fry up these chicken wings. See you in a little bit. All right, since I have some time before dinner, time for a drink review. I'm having something new from Leinenkugel's. This is called Tropical Hazy IPA. 7% alcohol. It says tropical flavors of passion fruit, guava, and citrus. Now, I've never seen this before. I did notice that this is made in Milwaukee. And some of you might know we live not too far from the Leinenkugel's brewery in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. And it's owned by Molson Coors, the big brewery. And they decided several months ago to close the local brewery here. They're still making the Leinenkugel's, but at Milwaukee. So I still got a little bit of a bad taste in my mouth, I guess, because Chippewa Falls is known for this Leinenkugel brand. They still have the little lodge there where you can go and sample some beers that they make on site, a little small brewery, but the big brewery has actually been shut down now. So anyway, Luvafoodie's Tropical Hazy IPA. I never even knew they made an IPA. So when I saw this, I knew I had to pick it up. Alright guys, you can see it's hazy. It's got a nice head. Ooh, I smell tropical flavors, like orange for sure, tangerine. Alright guys, cheers. I appreciate you stopping by. Oh, that's good. A little bit of hoppiness, but it's the bitterness of the hops is definitely taken away by the fruit flavor. It's definitely got a lot of fruit in it. Yeah, I taste like pineapple, orange, and tangerine. Very good. And I've been waiting to try IPA by Luvafoodie. It's the first one, like I said, I didn't even know they made this. Alright guys, I'm going to enjoy this. We'll be back in a little bit to fry up those wings. They're still marinating in that buttermilk. And yeah, we'll get the oil heated up, fry those in a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this beer. Cheers. Alright, here we are. I have this chicken breading. You can do your own breading, but I find the easiest way to do this is really just put it in a Ziploc bag. That way it doesn't get really messy. Same thing with buying it already pre-made. There we go. Oops. I'll pour it in here. Yeah, we'll put the wings in here a few at a time, kind of like coat them. Get it ready to fry these up. Be back in a minute. All right. These have been marinating in the fridge for probably around 5 hours now. Put the breading in a gallon bag. So what we're going to do is like just pick up a piece, make sure all that excess buttermilk is falling off. We'll drop a couple pieces in at a time. Just give it a good shake. Make sure you shake all that excess buttermilk off. Maybe one more. Let's do one more. Alright. Spread these out. I'm going to seal this up. Yeah. Make sure these are coated. Alright, so once they're coated, take them out with some tongs here. Shake off that excess coating, obviously. Just going to put them right here on the rack. Get them ready to throw into some oil to fry up. Okay, there we go, guys. Let me continue to do this till they're all coated. Be back in a second. Alright, here they are. Breaded. Let me heat up some oil in my Grandpappy deep fryer. And yeah, we'll give these a fry. Man, I'm looking forward to this. Be back in a minute. Alright, I have my Grandpappy deep fryer heated up with some beef tallow. Look, I did a review on this. I'll leave a link below, as well as how to make beef tallow. I'll leave another link below. But here we go, guys. We got the chicken wings. This is around 375 degrees. We're not going to crowd this. We're going to do maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 pieces at a time. And fry these in batches. This should take maybe 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, I'll leave it at that. Get an instant read. Check it, 165. Put it on the rack to dry. Yeah, that's it. We'll do these in batches. Be back in a second. think these are done. Let's see. Yeah, definitely done. I'll remove them. Make sure they reach an internal temperature of 165. We'll put it on this way so you guys can see. Yeah, 210. For around 7 minutes. You don't need much time here. Yeah, we'll continue to fry these in batches. Look at that, guys. Woo! We'll be back in a minute when this is all done. Alright, we've got the last batch here. Like I said, around 10-12 minutes. Let's see. I'll test this. We got a couple more minutes probably. The flats obviously, yeah. They are done before the bigger drumsticks. 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure they reach 165. And you're fine. Let's see. See there? Not quite. Let's see where we're at right here. 187. Yeah, we're done. Put them out in the rack like this, guys. Get some blue cheese dressing to dip this in. Man. You got chicken wings on sale where you live? Pick them up. Look how easy this was. Look at that, guys. We'll let this cool off for a second. Be back in a minute. Alright, here we are. Look at these. Perfectly fried up. Crispy. Oh, man. Alright, here we are. Look at these things. Perfectly deep fried. Beef tallow. Man. Alright, be back in a second. We'll give this a sample. Welcome back. I'm here with my wife, Monica.
Hi.
Alright, I got some blue cheese dressing.
It smells good. Well,
I'm going to pick one of these.
I think cooking it in tallow might make a difference.
No, I think cooking it in beef tallow definitely makes a difference. Oh, it's crunchy.
I don't normally eat meat off the bone.
I'll dip it.
I'll try it first like this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Dang. Do I ever eat? I'm not a wings person normally, huh?
No. But boy, it's nice and crispy. It's perfectly cooked.
Oh, good. Is that all the wings you bought? Oh, wow. Just
3 pounds right there.
That's good. Wow, it's so crispy and flavorful.
It's kind of like a fried chicken wing, right? It's not. We made garlic parmesan wings. Like I said, I'll leave a link below.
Good.
But this is a different consistency. It's more fried chicken, you know.
Yeah, it's really good, and I like that it's not too salty.
You know, I didn't put any salt on it.
It's perfect.
Chicken lover seasoning from Luvafoodie.
That's perfect. That's
Wow.
really good. Because if you would have salted it, it would have taken away from the flavor.
No, I agree.
Chicken and everything. It was just.
Yeah, it's really good. Crispy. Fry it for like 10 to 12 minutes, guys.
You're going to turn me into a full-on carnivore.
Yeah, whether it's flats or drumsticks. Boy.
This is good. That's all I can say. It is way good. It's so crispy. I love the breading.
And look, my motivation, $2.99 a pound. I'm always looking for whatever's on sale to cook, make a video, because I know money's tight nowadays. Yeah, you can feed your family.
And you can get so creative with this. If you have like plain breading, you could do like a little bit of honey in there. You could make like, you could do all kinds of stuff.
Well, like I said, I'll leave a link below to my garlic parmesan wings I did before, sous vide style, but these are really good.
You're going to have me spoiled now. I'm never going to want to order, you know how like when we go to restaurants, I don't want to order steaks or anything because you make it so good. I'm going to be so spoiled.
We don't even need to order wings because these are good.
These are really good.
Mm-hmm. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. Oh, that's good.
I don't want to eat them all again.
If you like the video, please hit a like button down below. This logo on my shirt is the logo in the bottom screen there that you can click to subscribe to my channel. Please do that because it really helps me and helps my channel grow.
Keeps your family.
And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com, where I have all my video recipes, photos, video links, the whole bit. Go check it out.
Yep, it's good.
Man,
This
is really good. Even for a pre-made batter. Yeah, get the pre-made batter. I didn't even make that.
You can make your own though too.
Yeah, you can.
It's good. I like it. Dixie's like, I want some. Nope, no, you can't have that, dude.
As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. We'll see you next time. Thanks again.
Bye. Okay, I'll try one more. Not on camera.